Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amir Ashraf Rashidi, and we will do the presentation for engineering economy. For task 1, it is about the business proposal product cost profit analysis, and this is our group members. For the introduction, first of all is the company profile. Teguh Ayam Enterprise is a business that operates starting from buying hen, raising chicken, supplying live chicken to processing places, market, processing and supplying processes chicken to end user, and supplying chicken egg to market.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imanul Hakim bin Muhammad Zulkifli. I will present about the business proposal of this project. Our service description is our company is planning to build a closed concrete chicken coop with integrated farming concept. Integrated farming concept is combine modern technologies with traditional practice. For early business, only one chicken coop with dimension of 100 meter times 50 meter on a land that's supported by the Johor Department of Veterinary Service. Teguh Ayam Enterprise rent 2 acres of land at Taman Kekal Pengeluaran Makanan Pogo. The land is located at Segamat, Johor. Next, I will describe about the machine ownership cost, operation cost, and maintenance cost of this project. Our machinery cost consists of propeller axle fan and electric heater, which the total of cost is 25,000. Next, our operation cost consists of rental, utilities, insurance, marketing, transportation, cleaning, and food and water. The total of operation cost is 69,000. Next, our maintenance cost consists of machinery cost, machinery maintenance, transport maintenance, and property maintenance, which the total of maintenance cost is 15,000. So the sum of total of machinery cost, operation cost, and maintenance cost is 109,000.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Sharif, metric number CD210107, and I'm going to present the identification of material requirement and manufacturing process involved in this report. So from this table, we use two service, which is the excavator and backhoe. The price for renting an excavator is 1,000 per day, and price for the backhoe renting is 500 per day. The excavator used for land clearing and digging a pond. This pond functioning as a retention pond. The dark land will then be used to reclaim our farm site, and this will be done by using the backhoe. Normally, it takes 4 to 5 days for this process to complete. So the approximate expenses are 6,000 to 7,500 ringgit. Next is the material requirement. So the base of our farm is using the low cost light steel structure and the stable steel structure. So from the image is the example of our farm design. We also have the axial fan and a heating and cooling system. Next is the manufacturing process. First, we clear the land and reclaim the spot to build our farm. Next, we set up all the related machinery like the air ventilation system and the heater. We buy all the chicks around 20,000, where 15,000 is broiler or meat chicken and 5,000 is the layer or the egg chicken. After that, this chicken will be sold weekly with 1,250 for the chicken food. We totally depending on the brand. We also have a storage room for all the brand, and all the machinery need to be maintained monthly with the estimation of 500 ringgit per month. Next, the farm also need to go through maintaining phase where we clean it and repair any building damage or electrical failure. To ensure the health and quality of the chicken, we work together with the veterinary department for monthly and annually checkup and vaccine program. For the identification and procurement of machinery involved, we have two main machine that we use, which is the air ventilation system and the electrical heater. The function of a ventilation system is to regulate the air flow in the farm so that the smell inside it will be flow outside. It also used to stabilize the temperature during hot weather since the chicken live in the room temperature as during hot weather they need to cool down too. As for the price for one unit is around 1,500 and we estimated to use 10 units. So the total price will be 15,000 ringgit. Next is the electrical heater which is used to keep the chicken warm during cold and rainy season. This heater helps them to feel warmer. As for the price of this machine is around 200 ringgit per unit and we estimated to use around 15 units and the total price will be 10,000 ringgit.
Okay, I will explain about the chapter 3 that include product cost and profit analysis. From all our calculation in product cost, we get the fixed cost is 409,000, variable cost is 132,000, total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost 541,000. After that, we calculated break-even point, we get the 169 trips per year. And lastly, profit analysis 1.25 percentage. Thank you.
And the next one is the task 2, which is financial planning. For the introduction for financial planning is the process of setting financial goals and developing a strategy to achieve them. It involves assessing an individual's current financial situation, identifying their short-term and long-term financial objectives, and creating a plan to achieve those goals. This plan can include budgeting, saving and investing, managing debt, and creating a strategy for managing risk. It also includes regular monitoring and adjusting the plan as needed in response to change in an individual's life or financial circumstances.
For the task 2, I will present about the application of business fund. We only use money from personal saving, investor, and bank loan to launch our business. Due to the large initial investment required by our business, there is an installment or bank loan involved to start the business. For the personal saving, we collect 50,000 each person and the total of personal saving is 200,000. For the investor, we collect 100,000 to start this business and we loan from the bank 120,000 to for this business. So the total for our source of money is 420,000 to start our business. Next, I will present about the fund flow statement. This statement shows the inflow and outflow of fund to demonstrate the source of fund and their use over a specific time period. For the machinery cost, it consists of propeller as a fan and electric heater. So the total of machinery cost per year is 25,000. For the operation cost, it consists of rental, utilities, insurance, marketing, transportation, cleaning, food and water. So the total of operation costs per year is 69,000. For the maintenance cost, it consists of machinery maintenance, transport maintenance, and property maintenance. The total of maintenance cost per year is 15,000 ringgit Malaysia. So the total of cost per year is 109,000. Next, I will present about the identifying application PF. P denotes the total of one or more cash flow from the correlated frame up to the present day. In contrast, F stands for the anticipated sum of money from all of the cash flow up to the anticipated date. In a nutshell, the purpose of this section is to estimate the ideology of compounding and how it would impact each organization over the allotted time. This business will be scheduled to run for 20 years. Based on the application of present and future calculation, the future value after 20 years with the interest of 6% annually will be 962,140 and 64 cents.
Next, I'm going to present the determination of monthly installment. Our company will make a total of 120,000 loan from bank, and the loan period is 10 years with the annual interest of 5%. The loan made will cover machinery costs, operation costs, maintenance costs, and other additional costs that will come in the future. The estimation value for the loan need to be met is 120,000 ringgit, and our initial funding is 300,000 ringgit. The extra 11,000 from the loan can be saved as emergency saving. Next one is the application of AP method. So from the value of P that we have, which is 120,000, and the interest rate of 5%, and the end value of 10 years, we can now find the A using the table C8, and we will get A equals to 120,000 times 0.1295, and we will get value of A is 15,540 per year for 10 terms.
For our chapter 4, 4.0, evaluation of profitability or non-profitability of business proposal. According to the underlying theory of the PW technique, all the cash flow are equal in the value relative to the base or starting point in time known as the present. In other words, all cash inflow and outflow are discounted to the present at the marked interest. In order to use PW technique to determine the economic viability of a project, we simply compute the present value of all cash flow using ARR as the interest rate. The project is profitable if the PW is greater than or equal to 0. The following formula was displayed as here. For 4.1 application of PW method, for our business loan, our annual sales is 1,367,768, and our annual cost is a fixed cost plus variable cost, which is we get 541,000, and we take a loan amount is about 120, and the interest is 5% annually. So the loan is about 10 years, and the present worth is 300,000. So we use the formula from the 4.0, and we get a PW is at 14 million. Since PW is greater than 1, the business is profitable.
As the conclusion, we did an analysis of the cost of the product. The fixed costs include the cost of ownership, equipment, and other fees. The corporate payment charge, which changes based on how much it is made, and was the variable cost. This company gave a financial plan that took into account all possible risks. The business fund request has been approved. To start a business, you need a total of 541,000 ringgit, and the amount of loan is 120,000 ringgit, and the interest on the bank loan is 5%. We use the AP on AF application to figure out the monthly loan payment we needed to make to the bank. The monthly loan payment we need to pay is RM 1,295 ringgit per month for 10 years. That's all from our group. Thank you.